Nature will strike back. In fact, we've already seen that happen as a recoil of man's act, whose only goal seems to plump and fatten.
Take less, grab less, giving up what exceeds your basic needs. God bless, doubtless, it's all for your good and your neighborhood. That mess, that stress, comes of all you possess, so just take less.
So just take less. A 100 tons of trash, wherever human born on this planet. FMCG marketing's harsh, and there's no power at all to ban it.
Unless we take less, it's all for your best that you live your life wasteless, harmless. It's all for your good and your neighborhood. Grab less, drop less, and you will find that you start having a little less stress and mess. Take less, drop less, it's all for your good and your neighborhood. God bless, giving up what exceeds your basic needs. That stress, that mess, comes of all you possess, so just take less. So just take less.